Good afternoon, sirs and my dear colleagues. I am Naveen Pandey. I am working as a Senior Development Business Manager in DS1 branch. Now, I have achieved 9.3 lakhs from past 6 months, and now my new target will be for next 6 months is 11.5 lakhs. And I taken a pledge to complete my targets. That is, my next 6 months, my average call would be 8 to 9 per month, and my average range of submitting e-proposal to our customers, that is 12 to 13 clients. My client creation is 7 to 8, and my average sale would be 1.9 lakhs per month. Now, first of all, I wanted to say something regarding how we achieve our target for the next 6 months. We learn from our seniors from time to time, upgraded training. First of all, we have to focus on new products. First of all, we have to give concepts, a very brief concepts regarding what is ceasefire, what is our new product going on, how to extinguish the fires. So because the help of our e-proposals and because the help of our new and basic seniors ideas, in future we work as a team and we completed our target. And if we talk about the ceasefire as a brand, so we are the super power brand in our country. From past 2 decades, we generated and we developed our different products from time to time, and for special creations of products. Suppose we have a different range of products for different safety security, and now from time to time we generated 2 more security system, that is a detector system, that is a security system. So because of that we achieved a good client permissions. We achieved a good client ratios regarding that, and now we are the number 1 complete fire safety solution organization in our country. And if we talk about experiences, how I experienced in past 6 months, 7 months, so here is a very high and very motivational working conditions in our DS1 branch. And here, first of all, I wanted to thanks to my immediate boss. He is my first immediate boss as a professional job, Manojit sir, because he is the one who created me, who teach me how to recognize the clients, how to close the order, and he gives me other ideas to sustain in a sales market. And now I am reporting to Sumit sir. He is also a very kind and very practical manager. And at the last, I always thanks to Manoji. I always thanks to Rajiv sir, because of his party culture in our organization. He always motivated from time to time and teaches us how to create the clients, how to give a new concepts to clients, and that's all. And at the end of my speech, I just wanted to pledge our anthem, our ceasefire anthem. आज तेरी ये खाते हैं कसम, एक ज्योति नहीं ज्वाला है, हम हर तरह से तुझे बचाएंगे, सीने में तुझे छिपाएंगे। जय हो ceasefire।